Hello, everyone. No more testimony to be heard in the Kallay Batchelor murder trial. Both sides rested today in Delta County Circuit Court. The Escanaba man is charged with the open murder of his wife and mother of two, Kallay Batchelor. TV6's Jessica Stevenson, live in our Escanaba Bureau, was in court today as the final four witnesses took the stand. Jessica?
Steve, Batchelor was not one of the final witnesses, so we won't be hearing what he has to say about the morning his wife was found dead. A defense motion also asked for lesser charges to be added, saying the prosecution did not have enough evidence to prove open murder. However, the judge denied that motion. Today's testimonies were an up-close look at the text sent between the husband and wife in the time leading up to her death.
What's her response?
No, with 2 exclamation points.
Continue from there.
He questions why not. She says, why would I? We are separated.
Each side had a different interpretation of the same text conversations. The prosecutor painted a picture of a husband who wouldn't take a hint when his estranged wife said the relationship was over, while the defense feels these conversations show a loving man trying to make the relationship work.
More time to find a place, a little more than one day to make this work for us.
All right. So Mr. Batchelor is calling his wife honey.
But there's one text that stands out, one Kallay sent to a friend that the prosecution considers premeditation for murder.
Why can't she die?
The jurors viewed the evidence, including the weapon. But according to the defendant, key pieces, including another witness, are missing.
So I see the new marks and the missing clothes, and she was moved. Now I'm certain there was somebody else there. And when he left the house, he woke up Kyra and took the bloody clothes with him.
According to testimony, nothing points to the removal or tampering of evidence. The last we heard before prosecution rested was from a medical pathologist who says Heather bled to death in a matter of minutes.
The gross appearance of the trauma and the fact that it would be extremely difficult to do this on a self-inflicted basis, really extremely unlikely. I came to the conclusion that it was most likely homicide.
The defense rested after only 2 witnesses. The day concluded with the jurors visiting the home where Heather was found dead. Tomorrow we will be hearing closing arguments, and possibly the jury will decide the fate of Kallay Batchelor tomorrow. If he's found guilty, he could be facing up to life in prison. We will continue to follow this case as it unfolds. Live in Escanaba, Jessica Stevenson, TV6 News.